In this video, we're going to look at how to change the command scope on an existing command bar button that you added using the command bar designer. We're going to start in Solution Explorer, and we're going to export our solution so we can make the changes in the configuration file. We'll make sure we publish all our changes before we export. We'll export the solution as unmanaged because we want to export all the files in the solution and make a change to the command definition. Once our export is ready for download, we'll download it to the local computer. We'll open the folder that it was downloaded into, open the exported file, and extract all the individual files that are in the compressed file. In this, you'll see that there's an App Actions folder. We'll go into App Actions, and we'll see the folder for our command that we have added, which is what's dirty. We'll go into the file for that, the App Action. We'll open with Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Now what we're going to do to start with is make this a table scope command. So we're going to remove the app module ID, which ties it to a specific application. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to give it a unique name. We can do that by simply adding a number, 1 or 2 or 3, onto the end of the app action unique name. Now, the other thing we could do, if we wanted to make this a global command, we could also go and remove the context entity and the context value and change the context to 0. That would make the command a global command scope. But we're going to leave it as a table command scope for right now, and we'll go ahead and save the file. Close the editor. Go back up to the folder where we unzipped the solution from. Select all the files. Compress them back into another folder. Call it Asset Manager Changes, but you can call it whatever you want. Remember the folder that we downloaded it into. And we're going to come back to our solution. And we're going to go to our solution list, and we're going to import the solution. Provide the folder that we downloaded it from. Our Asset Manager Changes, which is the solution that has packaged up our changes that we want to import. And we're going to import this back into the Dataverse environment. Our import is completed, so we're going to publish all changes. That completed. What we're going to do now is, because we want to make sure it shows up in another application, we're going to go ahead and create another model-driven application that does not have any changes to the command bar. We'll add a page, a Dataverse table. We're going to add the product table, add it in the navigation. We're going to save, publish, play. And if we open a record on the products table, we can see that our What's Dirty command is also in this application, even though we didn't customize the command bar in this application specifically. That's because the table scope means that anytime you have an app in that environment, it's going to show that command because we made it table scope. And so if we come down, we can test it again, make changes to some columns, run our command, we get the ID, we get what's changed. And that's how easy it is to change the command scope on an existing command bar definition.